How's it going? Today was an explosive day here at Weenie Trades. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about Tesla, the squeeze that it had today, and the explosive run up that it's had. I'm going to be talking about Facebook earnings. I'm going to be talking about Shiba Inu's key price level to maintain the uptrend. And then I'm going to be giving out 2 swing ideas. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So first up, we've got Tesla. And boy, Tesla is just an amazing stock. But I couldn't have predicted that it'd be up 12.66% today. We had a ton of massive positive news catalysts, meaning we had HDZ, Hertz, buying 100,000 Teslas. We've got Tom Brady, the GOAT, representing in the commercial, so that's super exciting. So just a little bit more momentum to kind of just shove the stock price higher. And what I do think happened is Tesla pressed the edge of the expected move, and I bet a lot of people took profits maybe in the 880s, maybe in front of all-time highs, but then we just got the explosive breakout to the upside, and that could have been the same people that might have sold at these prices buying the stock back up today, feeling like they're missing out, or there's a little bit of FOMO. So that could be a case, people buying back in at higher prices. Of course, we got the short sellers, the shorts that think Tesla's overvalued, which it could be, but price is king. So demand is outweighing supply. That's shoving the stock higher. So the shorts are definitely swearing. They've got to, giving that dolphin noise. But anyways, the shorts are just definitely feeling the pain. So that's another piece of it. But what also might be happening is there's a lot of call buying that's occurring as Tesla's squeezing and we're moving past the expected move. So it could be a little bit of a gamma squeeze where there's deltas constantly getting stacked up and it's causing Tesla to go a little bit more exponential. So what are we looking at moving forward on Tesla? Well, Tesla, I'm looking for a little bit of a dip buy at about the 994 area, maybe as low as 993. So 993 is kind of my S1, support 1, that I might be looking to take a dip trade off of. Otherwise, after that, I am looking to see how we react at about 980. So 980 is going to be my S2 level to bounce. A ton of people in the Weenie Trades chat was making so much money today. It's so great to hear. We have people that had 5K days. We had people with 10K days. We had a weenie that made 23K just trading the implied volatility on Tesla after earnings. So there's so much opportunity on Tesla, both to the long side and the short side. So far, it's just the long side, but I do think that there will be opportunities to the short side. I'm not going to short Tesla. If you watch the live stream, I did point out the high of the day at 1045, but then again, I didn't expect Tesla just go on such a crazy run. But it's easier to identify highs and lows when you don't have a position anymore. I took a lot of profits on Tesla today. I still have my leap options and leap spreads, which goes into if you made a ton of money on Tesla today. If you want a good risk management tip, try and withdraw half the profits. So let's say you made $2,000 today on Tesla. Go ahead and withdraw $1,000 from your brokerage. Pay yourself first. That really kind of secures in and locks in that money. It keeps it for yourself. I think it's a great way to manage that risk. If you made $10,000, put away 5K. That way your brokerage account grows, but you're not adding too much risk. Sometimes after big winning days, I hear a lot of people giving them up. And I don't want you to give up your big winning days. Pay yourself first. You'll still have that increased brokerage size account. And congratulations on those trades today. Let's find a little bit more from other stocks. Also, by withdrawing half, it's very good for saving up for taxes. So when tax season comes, you're like, oh, hey, I've been withdrawing from my brokerage, so I have enough to pay that bill. So that's just another important little note. Resistance on Tesla is likely to be about probably the moon. So moon will be the resistance, but likely something like 1,100. So $1,100 a share. We are already a bit past the expected move. So basically now what we're looking for in Tesla is it's dangerous to be buying up here. Everybody's asking me at Tesla, $1,030 a share. Should I be buying Tesla? And I'm like, you crazy? What you doing? Where were you this day, this day, this day? Now you're buying it? So not looking for new longs on Tesla as much as I love Tesla. I do expect probably a little bit more sideways action, maybe even slightly lower. And again, we talked about those dip buys earlier. Next up, we got Facebook. I think they announced a buyback. I think they did okay on their earnings. Facebook looks pretty decent. I'm looking at this little dash line. That's kind of the point of no return. As long as we're above this, the bulls can have a chance to fight. and that level is 328. If we break 328 might serve as a little bit of resistance, and we could flush on over. So I will be day trading and looking at Facebook tomorrow. Next up, we've got SHIB and Shiba Inu, new all-time highs. If Shiba Inu doubles from here or something like that, be sure to flame me in the comments below. But Shiba Inu, we talked about the EQ a couple weeks ago. We got our high, low, lower high, higher low, lower high, higher low, bull break. We got the bull break on an increase in volume. These are just textbook little pennant patterns. And now Shiba Inu, what I am thinking is it's a ticking time bomb. Just be careful. But as long as we're above this green line, which is the former breakout area, the uptrend can continue. So just keep that in mind. We can also maybe continue the uptrend at 0.0003169. This is a daily time frame for Shiba Inu. So here's our resistance level. We just broke out. Now, if it becomes support, fine. I'd think this is getting more and more dangerous by the second. So just be careful. I'm not suggesting a buy up here. I took 100% on Shiba Inu, and I'm leaving my second half for free. So that's how I like to trade. Maybe I don't get as big of gains if I just let it flush on over, but it gives that second piece a chance to ride. But Shiba Inu, ticking time bomb. Be careful on that. Next up, I want to briefly touch on two swing trades that I'm looking at moving forward. So let's check out MRVL. I entered in half of this trade for the swing trade at 67.20. Boom, nice good little breakout. If we look on the daily time frame, this is why I'm liking it. Move higher, pull back, move higher, consolidation. That usually is bullish and leads to a continuation. And we've just recently made new all-time highs. So I'm targeting about the 69, maybe as high as 70 on MRVL moving forward. And then next up we've got is Sony, S-O-N-Y. Sony, talking about Sony quite a while, over 105, 106. I grabbed Sony at about the 109 area, but I am looking to add another, maybe before earnings, maybe another third before earnings. I'll decide where we're at. If we're already pumping before earnings, I might take it off. But if we just kind of hold the same, I might add another third to Sony. After the report, though, I'm looking to add and see if Sony can bust through these all-time highs. Again, I'm a pretty good Spider-Man fan. We'll see what Sony's got in stock for us. So with that being said, be sure to use coupon code SPOOKY. Yes, I like coupon codes. They're fun. They're festive. It lasts until the end of Halloween. Be sure to check it out. Lots of new stuff being added. And be sure to give me feedback if you've taken it and you want anything added or even just updated. Thanks for tuning in. See ya.